Hi guys, a lot of people have this problem, and I had this problem multiple times. When I first started selling on eBay, I was receiving payments with PayPal. Now, all the transactions, all the money I was receiving is on hold. Like I can't use it for 21 days. Now this solution, like probably you have the exact same problem, or someone has sent you the money through they sent you money to your PayPal account. Okay, by the way, you can do the exact same steps if you are using your phone or Android phone or iPhone phone. Just open the app inside your phone, or if you are using a laptop, you can do the exact same steps. Now, the solution here. Okay, so probably someone has sent you the money and it's on hold. Now, if that's the case, what you guys need to do, you just need to tell the person, hi, can you go to the transaction, click on it, and then click on confirm the recipient or something like that. You just have to click on the transaction, and you will find an option where they can confirm that they have received, or it can be a service or a product, a physical product or digital product. You just have to click on confirm, and then the moment you click on confirm inside the PayPal account, the money will be released to you within like a few hours. Okay, probably sometimes less than that. Sometimes you will receive the money within a few minutes. Okay, it will be available to use. Now, if you are selling, or if you are selling something on a platform, let's say it could be eBay or any platform, any e-commerce website, you have to add the tracking number. And if the tracking number shows that the item is delivered, the payment is going to be available within 3 days. That's my experience. Okay, so you need to upload tracking number as soon as possible after you ship the product. This is in case you are selling something on eBay or any platform, after you receive, guys, the payment, you need to upload the tracking number. Now, if it's a digital product, you receive the payment, the buyer has received your like service or whatever, just go to the buyer and tell them, hi, can you please go and confirm the order, confirm the transaction that you have received, the service or a physical product or a digital product or whatever. After you click on confirm, like I said, the exact same thing will happen. The payment is going to be available to use. Now, that's my experience. I don't know. By the way, this is not going to last forever, because you are new to PayPal, or you have created your PayPal years ago, but you started to get sales just currently or recently, and that's exactly why they don't trust you guys easily. So my experience is within 3 months, I stopped having this problem, which is PayPal hold. Like the payment goes directly to my PayPal balance after 3 months, and after, I would say, like 200 transactions or 150, I don't remember exactly. So after 100 or 150 transactions, I started to receive payments without the problem, which is PayPal hold. Now, don't just be patient, guys, especially at the beginning. This is going to be a little bit hard, especially if you are selling on eBay. You are still going to use your own money. So yeah, I did the exact same thing, guys. I was using my own money, and PayPal, I was after 21 days, I was able to withdraw that money to my PayPal account, to my bank account. Okay, now, like I said, you just need to be patient, and you can either contact the buyer directly if they receive, of course, if they receive their service or physical product from you. Just contact them and tell them, hi, can you mark the product as delivered? Okay, if it doesn't have the tracking number. If it has the tracking number after the eBay, after you click on the tracking number, if it says delivered, you want to wait 3 days, and then the payment is going to be released, and you will be able to use your PayPal balance, guys, to do whatever you want. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know, guys, in the comments. I will reply to you guys, because I have a lot of experience with the e-commerce. You can ask me any question. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.